Hello and welcome. Today, we'd like to give you a short introduction to our new Automated Campaign Email System, or ACE. Here you have the landing page. If you take a look in our left navigation bar, we'll click where it says My Campaigns. Below here, you'll see two options, Create Email Campaign and Manage Campaigns. Let's take a quick look at how to create an email campaign. Our first field, Name, Date, Type, and Purpose, is where we'll put in our name for the campaign. This way we can differentiate the campaigns in the future when we go back to look at their performance. Event Date is where we'll use our date picker to select when our event will be happening. Next to that, you'll choose between post-event or pre-event sequences for your campaign. A pre-event will send out a number of different messages as you detail them on time sent and number and days from the event, set from before the event happens, or post-event, which will send them out in sequence after your event happens. Campaign purpose is what you hope to achieve with this campaign. Below that, you'll see our message, number, and detail. This is where you'll use your time picker to choose what time at that day the email will go out. You can have them go out early in the morning, later in the afternoon, or whenever you care. Below this, you'll see message number. This is where you'll type in and save the number of the message that you want to send out, i.e. message 1, message 2, message 3. You'll also note what day from the event you'll have the message go. If it were days from before the event during your pre-event campaign, you'll set those numbers here. Or, conversely, if it's a post-event, you can put the numbers in here. You could customize this campaign to have your messages go out several days, one day, the day of your event, and have them come out days after, weeks after, or have a follow-up. Below, you'll have message subject. This line here is what you'll use to have put into the subject line of the email the recipient will receive. Below here, you'll see Send Response To. This will help you indicate who within your organization will receive the responses to those emails. If this is a task that you're delegating to a certain user within your franchise, you can do that here. Call to Action includes a call to action link that will be included in the email. You can choose any of these options here, and your recipient will be able to click on it, and it will send a response to the person who the response is designated to. Below here, you can also attach a file. If you have a PDF document or anything of that nature, you can use this button here to attach those items to the documents. Campaign Recipients. This is where you'll be able to pick from the groups that you've customized within our email module, or you'll be able to use this field to type in manual addresses for people to receive your message. And below here, you'll see the message composition. You can either work within this pane here, or if you click this button, it will zoom out and give you full window capabilities so that you can edit your message with plenty of space. You'll notice our toolbars feature many common tools found within word processing programs, so it'll be easy for you to add styles, bullets, numbering, and any other type of formatting functionality that you would normally have. One of the features that we've made sure to add is image loading capability. If you click on this button here, you'll be brought to our image uploader. From here, we click Browse Server, and from here we can look at all of the images that we've already loaded into the system. Or you can choose a file from any file you have on your computer to add and upload to the system. Once loaded, it'll be put into your franchise's individual folder where you'll be able to search for those images in the future and add them out into your documents. You can also use this function to resize the image and make sure it's appropriate for your message. So once you have your message fully composed, everything's put together, you can then collapse the window back down, and then you'd be able to save and exit the campaign, or save and add another message to the campaign. This is how you can sit and create several different messages for the same campaign all at the same time. What you can do from here is change the message number to message number 2, message number 3, however many you want to have, and select them from the event, such as a pre-event being 7 days from the event, 3 days from the event, and the day before, or post-event follow-up for 1 day from the event, 3 days after the event, a week after the event. Once you're satisfied, you can save and exit, and then we can take a look here at managing the campaigns. Within this menu, you'll see all of the different campaign names that you've created, the dates that those events were set for, the number of messages for that event, and the subjects for all of these different events. You'll also notice your response rates and send dates. The response rate indicates how often someone who received an email clicked on the call to response button within the message. You'll also notice two separate color boxes next to these messages. The boxes with green are messages that have yet to be sent and can still be edited. The boxes with an orange X are messages that have been sent, and it gives you the ability to archive the campaign so it's no longer in your dashboard, and you can actively monitor those that have yet to be sent or those that were recently sent so you can track their performance. With these two different tools, with ACE Campaign, what you can do is create campaigns that will go out several days before or days afterwards to keep in touch with your clients and potential customers about the events that your franchise is holding, to get your message out there, and to get higher response rates. And with tracking, you'll be able to see how effective your campaigns are and be able to see your opportunities continue to grow.